Hey, Jason from Xfanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe doc feature that removes the dictionary feature completely from the Google Workspace docs editors to prevent your students from being exposed to accidental harmful vocabularies. Learning language plays a significant role for K-12 students. Google Docs integrated a handy dictionary feature where words can be looked up on the fly. However, some admins worry that students may easily pick up vulgar words, such as the F word, especially when the dictionary suggests students' offensive synonyms. Instead, they prefer a child-friendly dictionary to the built-in unfiltered dictionary in Docs. In another example, some admins want to disable the dictionary for the exams, since the dictionary feature indeed provides informative technical details that ruins the quiz question per se. Take a physics question, explain what momentum is as example. The dictionary already gives the hint, the quantity of motion of a moving body, measured as a product of its mass and velocity, if the feature is available. The left side is the student's view without SafeDoc installed, and the right side is the student's view with SafeDoc installed. SafeDoc completely removes the option to search the word up in the dictionary, both when directly searching the word up and when trying to open up dictionary and tools. Here's the comparison in Google Slides. Here's the comparison in Google Draw. SafeDoc removes these menu entries so students won't discover the feature. Also, as you may also notice that the Explore button is gone too. Yes, the Explore feature is another risky feature for students. The blocking dictionary feature is managed by Policy Enable Dictionary. To enforce blocking, please either remove the policy from your JSON policy configuration or explicitly set its value to false. To stop the blocking, explicitly set its value to true. If you have yet to install SafeDoc for your school, please get a 30 days trial.